Alright. 6744 decab. 6357 decab. Alright, both of these are right at 32 long, 18 round. Good kernel depth. Good looking corn. Now right here, let me turn y'all around. Right here, hadn't even counted them up. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, we got 40 high right there. Let's bust her open. Woo! Bet you that's gonna be 16 round, boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 round. Put that back together the best we can. What we got here? 16 round. Let's see how tall it is. I should have waited before I busted that one. I can get it close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So there's your little comparison. I don't know how well y'all can see me, but there's your little comparison on 6744, 6357. My 6744 has been more round. It's had 18 on most of it. Whereas this has had more 16, but it's longer. So I don't really know enough yet to know what will yield better, but I guess we'll see. And thank y'all for watching. If you know how I can estimate a yield on this, please comment and let me know. Thanks.